going on, man? It's Shel Fades, man. I just wrapped up at the shop, but I still got one more chop to do, and it's myself. I'm about to let y'all see a self cut. I gotta get myself right for the birthday, man. You know, right now I'm looking kind of rough. Actually, I'm looking real rough, but we're about to change some stuff. I'm about to transform for y'all real quick. Yeah, man, so I can look like somebody. I'm about to be 37, so you could tell, you know, I'm dealing with a little receding hairline, a little bit, a little thinning, but you know, we about to do some finessing and turn it into a blessing. You feel me? Yeah, let's go. I'm always gonna start by, you know, kind of smoothing everything down. Trying to be careful on my thin hair spots. Really, I ain't even tripping. What's gonna be is what's gonna be. You feel me? Alright, I took a 1.5, smoothed everything down. I'm trying to keep it a little thicker, a little darker up top on the fade. I'm about to do a drop fade all the way around. Alright, so I'm gonna set my guideline real quick. I'm gonna leave my little chops, you know what I'm saying? I want them, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the same thing this side. It's probably gonna stop me. My phone said I ain't got enough space. So y'all see I got a mirror behind me, mirror in front of me. This how I cut my hair. Been doing this since I was in high school. Anybody that really knows me knows I'm not lying either. And reminds you, I'm about to be 37. So yeah. And I got my guideline set all the way in. I know it looks crazy right now, but give it some time. We're gonna open the level up, go about 1/2 inch up. Alright, I got an open level all the way around. Now I'm about to throw my one on, open it up, go all the way around. I'll be back. Alright, I took the one open all the way around. I'm about to go one more notch higher to a 1.5. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep this closed. And I'm gonna take off all that little extra right up in this top part, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, all the way around. I'll be back. Alright, so now I did the 1.5. Still a little stuff right there, but I'm probably gonna just smooth that down later. But what I'm gonna do right now, we're gonna throw this one on. Now we're gonna close the level, take out somewhere up in there. Yeah. Get in there. I'll be back. I still got the one. I'm going in between open and close with the one. I'm just doing some cleanup work, trying to get some little dark spots out. You know? I just closed the level. Get some cleanup work around done. It's coming together though. It's coming together. Half guard, but I ain't gonna lie, it do come in clutch with getting a little, work. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna start with it open, and I'm gonna go between open and close, and yeah, scoop them lines out. I don't know if y'all can really tell, but this fade is really coming together. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Alright. I'm almost there. Almost somewhere. Yeah. And just let you know, I'm going in between open and close the level, Just kind of detailing as I go. When I see something, I try to get it. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, I'm pretty much finished up with my fade. Now we gotta get this taken care of. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of this. Y'all, it's my birthday, right? Yeah. We're gonna get real nice. Matter of fact, we're gonna do everything. We're gonna get real nice. Why not? I ain't got much of a beard, but for what I do got, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get nice with it. We're gonna go like this for a minute. Alright, now I got all that where I want it to be. I'm gonna take some Level B freeze spray. I'm gonna spray it around my lineup, everywhere that I'm pretty much gonna line up, even my beard. So I'm gonna get that real nice crispy too. My little half a beard. But we're gonna fill in those light spots that I'm dealing with. And probably gonna deal with for the rest of the time that I got here. Now we're gonna take the trimmers. Yeah, I would look in the camera and edge myself up like I see some people doing, but I don't wanna mess myself up. It is my birthday, so I'm gonna keep it how I've been doing it for forever. I'm looking in the mirror. All right, edge up, dang that complete. I got a razor, the little chalk line out. Yeah, throw a little razor on my stuff, but yeah, as you can see, yeah, we looking pretty good. You know what I'm saying? A self-cut is coming together. Yeah. What? Who said I ain't about to get no beard? What? Stop playing with me. I usually don't put enhancements on myself. I like to be natural majority of the time. But I feel like, hey, why not? It's my birthday. Why not get crispy? Why not get icy? And why not show y'all I can cut even my own hair, for real. And no, it ain't perfect, so don't expect perfection. It's my own head. And what I come to find out about self-cuts, stop while you ahead. Cause trying to be, you know, when you're a barber and you're trying to be perfect, like, see, this is not totally lined up, but hey, it don't matter. I don't got a full beard anyway. You know what I'm saying? I still got a few more things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna knock all this ash off my face. We still there though. We still nice and clean though. You feel me? And now that that's smeared in real good, real nice. Oh yeah, I gotta do the other side. Wow. I like it. What y'all think? I think it's looking real nice. Real nice. Alright, I'm done. What y'all think? I know it's a little crooked, you know what I'm saying? It's a self-cut. It ain't gonna be perfect. But you get the point, man. I had to get right for my birthday. Ooh-wee. But I can slice and dice though. Yeah, man, you just seen Shel Fades do a self-cut on himself, man. Yeah. It's up. Bow!